Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sharjeel, and my presentation topic is Angular Viscometer. My other group members are Muhammad Haris Aftab with registration number 2018CH249 and Muhammad Asif Kar with the registration number of 2018CH255. First of all, I will discuss about introduction. What is angular viscometer? Basically, angular viscometer is used to determine the angular viscosity of any product. For example, tar product. The angular viscosity of tar products test used for determination of specific viscosity of tar and their fluid products, which are useful in characterizing the consistency. If you want to study the flow properties of any product, we can use it. And the ASTM standard of this instrument D217276 and D116583. Next one is objective. What is our objective? Our objective is to be familiar with angular viscosity measurement and to determination of viscosity of tar and one of its products. Now, its layout. At the bottom of the instrument, there is flask, which is 200 ml flask. At the above, also, there is tank in which fluid is we put fluid. There is a thermometer which is used to calculate the temperature of our system. Pointer rod. There is flask. There is stick band. Oil cup seated which is used to setting the fluid, and the heating bath power supply. Power supply is also used because it is a electrical instrument. The next one will explain my other group member, Muhammad Asif Mukhtar.
Hey guys, this is Asim Mukhtar, and today I'm going to present basically the formula of angular specific viscosity, and it is the ratio of time for flow of 50 ml of that particular liquid for from which we are going to find the specific viscosity, and in the denominator we have factor. So what is factor? So next we will discuss about the factor. Determination of instrument constant factor, and the flex time for 200 ml of distilled water at 20 degrees centigrade with an acceptable angular viscometer shall be between 50 to 50 to 52 seconds. Determine this time and the factor representing the flex time for 50 ml of liquid at 25 degrees centigrade. The factor representing the flex time for 50 ml of water at 25 degrees centigrade had been found to be equivalent to the flex time for 200 ml of distilled water at 20 degrees centigrade multiplied by a factor 0.224. So by multiplying this, we find our specific constant viscosity of that particular liquid. So there are some material which are to be used in our experiments. So there are angular viscometers, cup, timer, stopper to stop the flow of a liquid, thermometer, flask that are or its product that is wanted to find its viscosity. So next there is a procedure from which we can find or we can determine our particular liquid viscosity. So first of all, to steam the temperature at 25 degrees centigrade using water placed in the cup, use the water as the standard liquid to calibrate the device. Fill the cup with water, open the outlet tube, the water will drop and fill a flask at the bottom of the device. Measure the time needed to fill the flask with water, empty the cup and the flask from water and fill it with tar or any liquid wanted to measure its angular viscosity. Open the outlet and allow the liquid to flow and fill the flask. Measure the time needed to fill the flask. Angular viscosity equal the time needed to fill the flask with the liquid over the time needed to fill the flask with water. So next we have observation and calculations through which can find our specific viscosity. So first of all, we will have multiplying with specific factor, we find 14.3. And time to fill 50 ml of flask by oil, we can find second 165 second, and by taking the ratio, we can find our specific viscosity, which is equal to 11.54. So next do next we will discuss about result and discussion, and it will be discussed about my other group member Haris Aftab. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, this is Haris Aftab. Now we are going to discuss the results. Average angular viscosity for the oil we used is equal to 11.54. The viscosity can be defined as the resistance to flow of a liquid. From this, it can be noticed that this test is used to determine the consistency of a liquid material, which affect mainly on the uses of the tar. The angular viscosity was about 11.54, which represent the consistency of the oil is 11.54 times the consistency of water, which means that the angular viscosity is a relative empirical measurement for the consistency with respect to the water at a certain temperature, that is 25 degrees centigrade. The viscosity requirements change from area to area, usually depending on the temperature, where high temperature areas need high viscosity asphalt to avoid flowing. If the temperature raise, while in cold areas, low viscosity asphalt to avoid low temperature cracking. Next, we are going to discuss its uses. This test method is very useful in characterizing the consistency of tar and tar distillates by measuring their flow properties. It is applicable to the materials that are readily liquid at temperatures up to 100 degrees centigrade. Precautions. Stir the water continuously so that the temperature of the oil and water are equal. Before aggregation, the oil at a temperature, check whether or not the oil is up to the indicator within the oil cup. Continually add the readings at a stable temperature. Ensure proper setting of the stopper to avoid leakage. These are the references from which we have taken our content. Thank you.